A very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student, now we already completed the chapter. Chapter number 4, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Now moving forward to do the MCQs, because all of you have done the fill ups as well as the question and answers, matchups. You have, I believe, all of you have done these things in your classwork notebooks. So, students, watch this video again and again, because in this video I tell you the MCQs of the chapter. Uh, in No need to write down all the MCQs in your copies, only write down 5 MCQs in your copies. I send you the 5 MCQs, only you have to note down that one, right? So, student, listen this video again and again so that you can do it in your classwork copy as well as you can understand easily, right? So now I'm going to start chapter number 4, an Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. The first question, a space shuttle is what? A hovercraft, a spacecraft, a space station, a rocket. I believe many of you know the answer of this one. So many of you know the answer of this one. The answer is a spacecraft. So you can note down, right? Now moving forward to the next one. Going to US for a master's degree. Going to US, United States, for a master's degree was not liked by whom? By Kalpana's mother, by Kalpana's tutor, by Kalpana's father, by the people. So the answer is by Kalpana's father. Then the third question. Third question is, Kalpana earned her PhD in which subject she had done is her PhD? Aeronautical engineering, aerospace engineering, astrophysical engineering, mechanical engineering. So all of you know that aeronautical aerospace engineering, right? Now moving forward to the next question. Question number 4. Students, I tell you one thing again. No need to write down all the MCQs in your copy. Only you have to write down 5 MCQs in your classwork copies. But you have to memorize all the MCQs, because any one of them comes in your exam. So, what you need to do is you have to watch this video again and again and memorize all the MCQs. Question number 4. She was called an first option Indo Anglo American, second Indian American, third Astro American, fourth Anglo Indian. So the answer is Indian American. Then the question number 5. She went to the US. She went to the US for what? किस लिए गई थी US? To join NASA, to get the master's degree, to do aeronautical engineering, to get the bachelor's degree. So she went to the US to get the master's degree. Question number 6. She was selected at NASA after doing her engineering in aeronautical engineering, masters in aeronautical engineering. After that, NASA selected him for training. She was selected at NASA for the training in which year? In 1994, in 1990, in 2000, in 2005. So the answer is in 1994. The next question, question number 7. Kalpana had encyclopedic knowledge. Kalpana had encyclopedia knowledge means, what does it means? She knew everything about aeronautical. She had mastery over biology, astrophysics, and engineering. Or third one, having knowledge of a wide variety of subjects. And the last one, she knew the whole Britannica encyclopedia. So the answer is having knowledge of wide variety of subjects. बहुत सारे subjects की knowledge थी. She having a wide variety of subjects knowledge. Question number 8. The period of her first mission in space was, whenever she go to the space, how many days she spent in the space? So the options are 15 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes, 16 days, 15 hours, 34 minutes, 15 days, 5 hours, 5 minutes, 15 days, 8 hours, 37 minutes. So the answer is 15 days, 16 hours, 34 minutes. Question number 9. By profession, Kalpana Chawla was a professor who taught in America, an engineer and made aircrafts, an astronaut and went in space, a social worker who served India. So the answer is she is an astronaut and went in space. Question number 10. Kalpana Chawla made history as she was the Kalpana Chawla made history as she was the what? The first Indian woman to do so, the first American woman to do so, the first Indian American, the first woman in the world to do so. So the answer is the first Indian American. Question number 11. Kalpana was a resident of where she born? Haryana, India, US, Colombia. So the answer is sorry. कल्पना वॉज रेजिडेंस ऑफ वेयर हर रेजिडेंस इज शादी के बाद कहाँ चली गई थी शी गॉन टू यूएस सो कल्पना वॉज ए रेजिडेंस ऑफ यूएस देन द क्वेश्चन नंबर 12 बोथ कल्पना एंड जीन पेरी वर born in India, were born in America, were flight instructor, lived in Karnal. So they both are the flight instructor. Question number 13. In Kalpana Chawla's opinion, everyone has what? Everyone has what? Wealth, education, fame, dreams. Dreams. All of you having, all of you students, you also having a dreams in your life, right? So if you want to fulfill your dreams, what you need to do is you have to do a work hard as per as the smart work. Only hard work you can't be able to achieve the goals. With the hard work you can do the smart work also. Kalpana Chawla become an inspiration for whom? The people of the world, for all Indians, Indian youth, the people in Colombia. So Kalpana Chawla became an inspiration for Indian youth. Question number 15. Kalpana was born in America, a small Indian town, a big Indian city, a metropolitan city. So she was born in a small Indian town, Karnal, Haryana, which is in Haryana. Question number 16. From Columbia, Kalpana sent a message to whom? Haryana University, Aerospace Engineering, her college in Chandigarh, Mechanical Engineering. So she sent a message to her college in Chandigarh. Question number 17. Kalpana earned her PhD in Aeronautical Engineering, Aerospace Engineering, astrophysical engineering, mechanical engineering. She has done aerospace engineering. Question number 18. She was called an Indo-Anglo American, Indian American, Asian American, Anglo Indian. So she was called an Indian American. Question number 19. Crossword puzzle. An Indian American woman in space, Kalpana Chawla. Classic MCQs. Question with answers. Chapter 4. A person who trained to travel in a space. You have to tell one word answer. A person who is trained to travel in a space is called astronaut. Make someone feel happier. Cheer. Cheered. Lack of belief. Disbelief. Cover a space with sticks. Sticked. Very large in size, quantity, or extend down. Enormous. So, from downwards, continue to live or exit, especially in spite of danger or hardship. The answer of this one is survive. Without engine aircraft. Without engine aircraft is glider. Height in the sky. Altitude. A vehicle used for traveling in space. A vehicle used for training in space is spacecraft. A line or border separating two countries. A line of border separating two lines countries two countries are called fortuners. So that's all about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day. I need. हाँ मेरे तो है,